How to use manifestation in daily life. That's what we're going to be talking about. So, you guys need to hear this. I invited my wonderful client, Peter, who's from Sweden. Yeah, some people think I'm Swedish. It must be the hair color. I don't know why. Never even been in Denmark, never been in other Scandinavian countries. Peter, what did you want to ask me specifically? Tell me.
How can we use that manifestation in our daily life?
Um, Very easily. You don't need to use manifestation just for the big goals, like I want 100 million and I want to love my life and I want to lose 100 kilos and I want to do this. No, you can use it in small bits throughout the day. And you can start prepping yourself for it the night before because you can say, and tomorrow I want to do that, da, 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 da. When you do that, the brain overnight works everything out. When you need to get up, where do you take petrol? How to get there? What is the best way? Etc., etc. It's going to be worked out for you. So stop stressing in the morning. Like, I don't know, and I'm stressed out and I'm going to go be late. No, ask first, last thing in the evening, first thing, as you fall asleep, has to be, this is my plan, universe, brain, work it out. Night. Psh. That's the best way to do it. And you wake up in the morning and there are no struggles, no obstacles. The brain worked it out, you know what to do, and you're fast and successful. But you can also say, okay, I'm gonna go to the supermarket and I don't have time. I'm stretched for time. I need parking spot right in front of the door. Just make it happen. Oh my God, that's impossible to get spot in front of the door to the supermarket. There are two. I can fucking choose. Wow. That's how it works. Or, oh my God, I'm really hungry, but I cannot eat anything with seedalls in it, so I cannot have burger and French fries. What do I have? I don't know. Universe, make it happen. Oh my God, there's a wonderful place right here, and they have salad and whatever else. This was a brilliant idea. Thank you, universe. Oh, oh shoot. I just discovered I have a hole in a sock. What do I do now? I'm going to a meeting and all my other socks are in the washing. Shit. Universe, help me. Oh my God, I have extra set in the car from when I was in the hotel last week. I can grab those. That will save your day and your meeting. And you just keep doing these small things throughout the day. Like, oh my God, I forgot my pills. I forgot my pills. I'm so screwed. I need to take them in 10 minutes. What am I gonna do? And again, oh my God, I keep extra one in the car, So thank you, universe. Thank you for reminding me. I lost my mobile. I don't know where my mobile is. I have to buy a new one. I didn't want that expense. Why did it happen to me? What am I doing wrong? Universe, sort it out. And then you go through the same bag you went through 10 times, and the mobile will be there this time. This is how you use manifesting throughout the day. I feel like, I feel like having something cold. It's really hot today. It's 36 degrees. I wish there was something really cold. And then you hear the ooh, and the ice cream truck drives by, and you get out of your house and get the ice cream. Yeah. That's how it works. It's really easy. You're supposed to do it with fun and inventivity and invention and creativity and all the rest of the stuff. Keep it fun. Manifesting is
Mm.
supposed to be fun, people. Does it answer your question?
Yes, it does.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Same like, oh, I want to buy watermelon. Yeah, this one's expensive. No, I'm not buying this. This one's
Uh,
expensive. And then like, oh my God, across the road they have buy one, get one free. Thank you, universe.
mm,
Yeah. That's how it goes.
yeah.
I'm getting excited about it now. I worked myself up
Yeah.
to manifest more during the day.
Yeah. Yeah.
That's how you do it, people. Motivation, motivation.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Great.
So
Great.
what else do you have for me, Peter?
Can I do manifestation when I'm angry?
Can you manifest when you're angry? Okay. Yeah. And this is going to be very interesting. There's Anger is a fantastic manifester, but you need to grab it correctly. You need to make it work out for you, work for you. Because there's two different states of the same anger. And it can go like this. The manifestation is not coming. It's not working out for me. I've done so much hard work. I'm fed up with this. You know what? I'm going to forget it. I'm done. I don't want to do it anymore. That's a loser's victim snowflake attitude. We don't do that. Not on my channel anyway. You need to go to another channel to do that, not mine. But the same anger you can redirect to make it happen for you. Did you know that? You can take your anger and say, enough's enough. I'm done losing. I'm done not getting what I want. This time it's happening. This time I will get what I want. And don't you dare, universe. From now on, I'm JR times 10. I always get what I want. And try me. Yeah?
Yeah.
That's
Yes.
the superpower of anger. And you can turn it against you or for you. And when you turn it for you, you should see the speed at which you get your manifestation, by the way. Okay?
Yeah.
I've done that not long ago to universe. I was like, are you kidding me? Are you absolutely kidding me? Don't you dare. Don't you dare. And you will deliver now. Next day, miracle every 5 minutes, I swear. Sometimes they need telling off. Sometimes I feel like they're trying you, like if you're gonna have the guts to tell them off or not.
Yeah.
And if you do, like, kudos, she's got balls. Okay, let's do it, people. Before she blows. Yeah. So it's wonderful, guys. If you want to learn how to manifest, just like Peter, we're having private sessions. We're in the Manifesting HQ. There's also my famous Millionaire Accelerator. If you want to be a Millionaire Accelerator, there's a description and there's a link in the video description, or Manifestation HQ, where I teach people how to manifest fast any subject. You need to be a part of it. You're gonna love it. All good people and Peter, all everything answered. Thank you, and I'll see you at the next video. And have fun in Sweden. Bye bye.
Bye.